a mom on a mission to help people take easier, better pictures of their kids. Hey guys, it's Lindsay. I have some really exciting news that I have been dying to share with you guys for such a long time now. This is a project I've been working on forever, and it's finally here and ready, and I can't wait to share it with you. So without further ado, drum roll please. Here it is. My name's Lindsay, and I am the creator and founder of PiX. So after I had my daughter, I, like any parent, was taking a bazillion pictures of my kid, and I found it to get really challenging to either get her to look at the camera, to smile, to, get those like really good pictures that capture the memory, because time goes so fast. If you're a parent or you've taken pictures of kids, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The struggle is real. It is like Olympic sport to take a picture of a kid or a toddler or a baby and get them to look at the camera and smile. I am like trying to get pictures to frame and put on the wall, to send to the grandparents, to post on Instagram, and she's just like all over the place, not looking at the camera, not smiling. I'm shaking bells, getting stuffed animals, sweating. It is like, I cannot be the only parent who is struggling with this. So I knew I needed to come up with a solution, create something that was gonna make it easier on me to take better pictures of my kid and really capture their attention so I could capture that memory. PiX is hands down one of the best gifts you can get any new parent. It's perfect for taking videos or photos of your kids that you want to frame or send to the grandparents, and it just so happens to be the perfect pal for getting those Instagram-worthy posts. So let me introduce you to your new bestie, the friendly Firefly that clips right onto your phone or device, landscape portrait for photo, video. He lights up to 3 different brightnesses in jingles to really capture the attention of kids, babies, even pets. I hope you love it. Let me know what you think if you give it a try. Don't forget, tag at PiX.pals, hashtag PiXPals, so I can see all of your photos. Give me the feedback. Let me know what you think. I'm so excited to see your pics. Introducing PiX. Capture their attention, capture the memory. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you right here next time. Bye. You want to say hi? Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Kinsley.
Kinsley. This is Kinsley. How old are you?
I'm 2.
She's 2, and then baby brother is due in like 5 weeks. So we're just really excited to get this going right before
Why, Mommy?
life gets real.